Hey class, many of you guys asked me how to create this visualization of correlations that we learned in class today. And so what I'd like to do is just run through the whole thing for you real quick, and there's a little bit going on here, and it's a little bit non-standard, so I wanted to just show you. The first thing is that this visualization is not a built-in piece of functionality in R. We have to download an additional library that which is essentially a set of instructions on how to generate something like this. And we'll do that first. So to do that, we go to Tools, Install Packages, and we go here, and the package is called Corrplot. Now, you just click Install. If this is the first time you've ever installed a library, then it's going to have a few prompts. Do you want to create it in a special spot and all that stuff? Just click through OK on all that, and it should be fine. So I click Install. Since I've already done this before, it shouldn't take too long. If it actually has to download this off the internet, then it might take you a little while, depending on how fast your connection is. But now that's installed, now before I can use it, I need to actually ask RStudio to load it up front. So we type in library Corrplot, and now it's loaded in, and now it can be used. So now let me type in this. We're going to do correlation of merge all. And that'll give us all of this here, and that is much more than what we need. And if we go back to merge all, we'll see a little bit of why it created this and not the thing we wanted. It created this because there's so many variables, and it doesn't know which variables we want and which ones we don't want. So it just does all of them. So to do this more effectively, we would need to go in and delete all these additional rows, which I've done here for you in this thing called clean merge. To do this, the kind of another way is either you create a new data set with just the variables you want, or you download this, open it up in Excel, delete those additional rows, and go through that whole process. That's sort of a separate thing on how to adjust files that way that I'll talk about later if you want, but right now I just want to show you how to make the correlation. You can find this clean merge in the data set section of MyOpenMath with the reduced variables, again with those columns deleted. But if you see how to do that, if you've imported clean merge and it's here, then you can just change this to clean merge. It goes like this. We can add a title. Nations for global warming. That's a long title, and that appears there. Let's see if we can actually see it a little better. Notice the window is always a little funny on these things. I found it doesn't always work out, but there you go. So that's how you do that. Again, you install the library, and then you load the library in. That's this line here, and then go through those commands. And that's it. All right.